In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels view not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your Instagram app's latest version. You make sure your Instagram apps is updated. Step 2. Open your Instagram apps. Tap on profile picture. Tap on 3 line or horizontal line. Scroll down. Tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down. Tap on View Counts on Profile. Then turn off Hide View Count. Turn off Hide View Count. Then you can see Instagram Reels view not showing problem. Go back your Instagram profile. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Reels view not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.